All right,
no
robot.
Filmers.
We got a major controversy before the soccer game.
And the filmer is me.
One-
No, how about the filmer? Grant. How about how about Grant is I don't get what. I forgot what I was going to say actually. I want to be a filmer.
You want to be the filmer? All right.
Huh?
Don't do what Victor said and show it at yourself all the time.
No. Let's just put it in the corner. Can I have another one?
Another camera? No, I only brought one today.
Let's just put it in the corner like we did. Sure. And who do you want to be? Who do you want to be? I'm Georgia State. I'm Georgia State.
You haven't run on the field yet.
So who are you?
Am I playing or am I
You're. If do you want to be filmer?
Yeah, I want to be the filmer.
Okay, you can. Okay, Jack. What team do you want to be? You have to be a college soccer team. I'm Georgia State.
Kennesaw State, because who he
No,
can.
that's a football team.
Kennesaw State's a football team.
And they're a soccer team, so it's play.
All right. Game
I'm
starting.
Georgia State.
Game's
Not
on.
Georgia Tech.
Georgia
Jack
State
won.
wearing uncharacteristic orange,
Soccer game is boring.
and Jack playing boring soccer. All right, I'll play and film. It'll be POV.
Okay.
You can kick off. Watch it, Jack. Since you don't want to play or film, unless you want to play.
Okay, you can play now.
All right.
Oh, scored on the first play of the game. This game is boring.
This is Jack Attack, and he's bored. He's been bored all day.
I think Jack just wanted to play. Yeah, I think he wants to play.
I think you're actually the only one that wants to play, but that's fine. I'll play with you anyway. Even if
each other and put the camera in the corner.
I'll play, even if I don't. No, I can play and hold the camera probably.
Oh, it's okay. Like and subscribe. Watch more of our videos. Go on YouTube. Search for Big and Jack channel.
It's the 10-minute rule. We're not playing more than 10 minutes or filming more than 10 minutes because it takes too long to edit.
Hey, why does it say 20? Oh.
That's how long the
Wait, we have been filming so long and we haven't done a single thing.
Hey, I agree completely. You know, there's a word for that. All right, I'm ready. Where's the ball?
Jack kicked it.
Well, it went under that thing.
No, then. Oh, right here in the bathroom. I'll kick it off. Okay, Georgia State versus Kennesaw. Kennesaw State. Ah! I had the chance. I was behind you, but I got.
There.
You want to play soccer with them? Why not?
1-0.
There.
2-0. 2-0. I'm winning.
It wasn't me.
No, that missed.
Play the memory.
You keep on missing.
Turn over the card. You remember the animals.
There.
That's what.
Everyone get the camera and say, barking dog intrudes with the game.
Time out, barking dog.